DSLR cameras can be expensive, and they're not exactly light either, weighing around 600 grams without even attaching a lens. Using them outdoors always comes with the risk of dropping or damaging them. To help solve that problem, a company from Hong Kong came up with this clever gun-style camera cage. The trigger is designed to activate the shutter, and the yellow lever lets you switch between different shooting modes, whether you're filming or taking photos. The cage itself weighs 800 grams, stretches 50 centimeters in length, and works not just with cameras, but with extra gear like microphones, bipods, and flashlights. Its layout supports major brands such as Canon, Sony, and Nikon, making it surprisingly versatile. If you're looking for something playful, don't skip these shoes. Designed mainly for fun, they actually offer much more than expected. They can make your weight loss routine about 20% more effective and increase your stamina by 17, while also helping correct posture and speeding up recovery. These adaptable shoes work well both indoors and outdoors, making it easy to turn heads while you run. The standard model supports users up to 90 kilograms, comes in 5 sizes from XS to XL, provides double-layer protection, and includes springs rated for roughly 100 hours. Extra bonuses include better sleep, higher daily productivity, and a noticeable drop in tension. It was a big moment for Apple fans when the company officially revealed its Vision Pro mixed reality headset. Yet several tech reviewers and journalists have already tested it and shared their early impressions. One standout feature is how easily you can shift between virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality modes just by rotating a simple dial. This device works as a portable workspace, a personal cinema, a navigation tool, a 3D video recorder, and so much more. It's almost like having a separate 4K screen for each eye, and you can operate it through your gaze, your hands, or even your voice. The headset comes in at roughly 450 grams, and as expected, Apple will offer multiple editions. Leg injuries don't just happen in sports. They often occur during simple daily routines, like walking to work or running errands. During winter months especially, the rate of sprains and bruises nearly doubles, according to available data. To help with recovery, doctors frequently rely on orthoses, which are supportive devices designed to stabilize the joints and assist the healing process. This particular model played a key role for one user recovering from an anterior cruciate ligament tear caused by a skiing accident. The orthosis comes in multiple size options, and it's generally advised to keep it on even while resting, including during sleep. Here's an interesting story straight out of Japan. The toy company Takara Tomy joined forces with the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency to create a compact moon rover. Takara Tomy is the same brand behind the classic Transformers from the 80s, and this little rover is just as fascinating. It shifts from a round sphere into a robot with a tail and wheels on both sides, and it weighs under 300 grams. Its key mission is to explore the landing zone and capture images of the lunar surface. A consumer version will follow in September. Buyers can choose a standard edition for $196 or a special version inspired by the Space Brothers anime, limited to just 300 units. few years ago, New York's JFK Airport handled nearly 40 million travelers, which really puts into perspective how many people fly across the globe, many of them trying to eat, relax, and even sleep in those cramped airplane seats. To help passengers rest more comfortably, this clever product was created. Instead of fighting with a stiff seat back, you can simply lean forward and sleep naturally. The designers actually worked alongside medical specialists who pointed out that this forward-leaning position supports easier breathing and reduces tension in the chest muscles, helping the body shift into a more relaxed state. It even comes with a compact 27 by 20 centimeter travel pouch, so it won't take up much room in your luggage. Here's another fascinating innovation designed for space missions: a robot built from triangular modules. Each module works independently and can link with the others, giving you the flexibility to assemble the exact configuration needed for any mission. This design solves a major issue. Spacecraft have very limited room, yet the list of tasks keeps growing. That's why having a compact, multi-purpose robot like this becomes incredibly valuable. It can assist with repairs during spacewalks, transport different items, or even participate directly in scientific experiments. A solar panel can be such a basic idea, yet this clever design manages to feel surprisingly smart. The creators have already collected over 156,000 on Kickstarter and are now offering each panel for $290. Every panel delivers 25 watts of power, links together with others, and folds 8 times into a compact square measuring 19 centimeters per side. When opened, it expands to 51 by 98 centimeters and weighs just a little over 1 kilogram. These panels are ideal for year-round use because they function in temperatures from -20 to 85 degrees Celsius. They're also built to withstand rain and dust thanks to an IP67 rating, similar to what you'll find in many Apple smartphones. The makers behind this platform claim it's the most advanced, secure, and high-performance helicopter landing pad ever built, and they back that up with several strong points. The P-15W is capable of handling 4.5 tons of weight, offers a roomy surface of 4.6 by 4.6 meters, and can even lift and lower its surrounding edges. This whole mechanism is protected by a patent. The landing pad comes equipped with its own processor, an all-wheel drive articulated setup, an onboard fuel supply, and traction control. It remains fully operational, even on snowy terrain. And if a landing gets a bit rough, the adjustable sides automatically stabilize the helicopter to prevent any chance of tipping. Central Park in New York City features an impressive mix of roughly 20,000 unique trees, from towering oaks to blooming cherry varieties. With so many to monitor, having a tool like this becomes incredibly valuable for those responsible for upkeep. It's known as a resistograph, and it helps specialists pinpoint internal tree damage by detecting hidden fractures and decay. You'll often see it used in forestry work and even on construction projects. The model shown here delivers a drilling depth reaching up to 50 centimeters, which is sufficient for examining trunks with a diameter of about 3 meters. The entire resistograph weighs close to 4 kilograms, has a compact design, and includes a carrying case for easy transport. All collected data can be sent wirelessly to a smartphone, laptop, or printer instantly, making fieldwork much more efficient. Over the last 40 years, we've seen technology leap from rotary phones to powerful smartphones, and from old fax machines to mind-controlled computer interfaces. Yet even with all this progress, nearly 30 million people still depend on wheelchairs. That's why Wondercraft created the world's first self-balancing exoskeleton designed to support a smooth and natural walking motion. Even better, it can be adjusted to match each person's unique walking pattern using advanced AI guidance. With this exoskeleton, users are able to step backward, move sideways, turn effortlessly in place, and even jog. It offers an incredible opportunity for different needs, especially those involving stroke rehabilitation. This robot is specifically engineered for landfills, evaporation ponds, heap leach pads, and other environments where managing leaks is absolutely essential. It scans the ground at about 0.5 square meters per second, performing reliably on surfaces such as clay, sand, gravel, and geomembrane layers. The system can identify leaks reaching depths of up to 1 meter. It works entirely on its own, using advanced detection techniques enhanced by powerful artificial intelligence algorithms. On top of that, it automatically produces detailed reports, removing the need for human involvement in tough or hazardous conditions. And when needed, the remote control feature can easily be activated. Next up, we have utility locators, essential tools used to identify and map underground utilities before any horizontal drilling begins. They're incredibly important because they help workers avoid damaging hidden power lines or buried pipelines. Usually, these systems come with 3 core parts: a transmitter probe, a handheld locator, and a display unit. How simple they are to use often depends on how well these components stay connected. For example, the HDD sub-site marksman setup allows the locator to pick up the operator's display signal from as far as 610 meters away. Thanks to its strong beacon, it's capable of detecting underground cables and pipes at depths reaching up to 40 meters. One standout feature is its single-switch operation, which removes the hassle of dealing with extra buttons or complicated levers. We came to the end of the video. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.